Take a step back to the 1930s, when this catalog held every woodworker's dream tools. Inside were not just the iconic saws of Henry Disston, but the secrets to making them last a lifetime. Published in 1935, this catalog was more than just a sales brochure. It was a textbook for the American craftsman. It begins by establishing the Disston legend, a 96-year history built on a single core principle. Henry Disston was so obsessed with quality, he invented his own formula for steel. He built his own furnaces and mastered the difficult crucible process. This allowed him to create a steel that was both incredibly hard for edge retention, yet flexible enough to prevent snapping under stress. It was a combination that other American sawmakers simply couldn't replicate. And that steel went into the iconic handsaws that made them famous, including the D8 skew back and the classic D7 straight back, each one a masterpiece of balance and design. The catalog emphasizes the details, such as the true taper grind for easier cutting, and the beautiful weatherproof finish on the applewood handles. These were the tools every craftsman dreamed of. But this manual's true value, the real secret promised on the first page, was not just in the tools themselves, it was in the knowledge. Buried deep within these pages is a lost art, a complete multi-page guide on how to choose, use, and most importantly, sharpen a handsaw, showcasing things like the precise angles for jointing, setting, and filing, and the subtle differences between a crosscut and a rip tooth. In an era before YouTube tutorials, this was how a craftsman learned the secret to a razor-sharp edge that would last for years. The manual even details the specific files to use and showcases the Disston Triumph saw set, a specialized tool designed to perfectly set the teeth. This wasn't just about selling a saw, it was about ensuring that saw performed perfectly for its entire life. This document is more than just a catalog. It's a snapshot of a golden age, a time when a company's promise didn't end at the point of sale. It was a commitment to the craft, a sharing of secrets that truly did make their tools last a lifetime. I'd love to know what you thought of this catalog. Let me know in the comments, and if you want to see more, subscribe for a new piece of tool history every week.